Hello students, in the previous class we have seen about the first order reaction. Today let us discuss about second order reaction. So here second order reaction. Second order reaction, in the first order reaction what happens? The reacting substance means the rate of first order depends upon the one concentration term, that one we call it as first order. In the second term what happens? The second term is nothing but the rate depends upon concentration terms. The rate depends upon two concentration terms. The rate depends upon what here? Two concentration terms. We call it as second order reaction. Okay. So coming to here, A gives rise to P. 2A gives rise to products. So by this what we can write? Rate of reaction R is equals to minus D concentration of dA by dt, as we know. So this one can be written as K into concentration of A square. So where K is second order constant. So coming to here, if small a is the initial concentration of A, X is the amount consumed after time. So means what here? When you consider small a, X. So then here you will be getting 2 into A minus X. Okay. So you will be getting here T. Then the rate equation, how it is going to become? Then dx by dt, where R is equals to concentration terms. Okay. So R is also known as dx by dt is equals to minus of d 2 into A minus X, no? So it will become A minus X whole square minus, generally this equation can be written as, see here, R is directly proportional to A minus X whole square. So where R is equals to K into A minus X square. So R indicates dx by dt. Okay. So where dx by dt is equals to here K into A minus X whole square. So this term will come here, means division, that is dx by A minus X is equals to K into dt. So when you do integration on both sides, what we are going to get? Integration on both sides. So what will be getting? Dx by A minus X whole square, okay, is equals to K into integration of dt. So then the reaction, how we are going to get here when we do integration? So generally it is in the form of 1 by x square into dx. Okay. So it can be written as x power minus 2 into dx. So in the similar way, 1 by A minus x square can be written as A minus x minus 2 into dx is equals to K into integration of dt. So then you are going to get here A minus x minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is equals to kt plus c. So you are getting A minus x to the minus 1 by minus 1 is equals to kt plus c. So then if you do multiplication with minus 1. So minus 1 will get cancelled. Then you are getting 1 by A minus x is equals to kt plus c. So this is the equation we have got. So then to start with time, then we are getting, if x is equals to 0, t is equals to 0, then what you are getting? C is equals to 1 by A. So this C value you will substitute here, that is 1 by A minus x is equals to kt plus 1 by A. 1 by A will come this side, means 1 by A minus x minus 1 by A is equals to kt here. Okay. So then when you do LCM here, A into means A minus of A plus x divided by A minus x is equals A minus x into A kt. So then we are getting A will get cancelled, then we are getting x by a into a minus x is equals to kt. So then kt value how we are getting here? So then k is equals to 1 by t into a minus x. So here x we are getting. So this is the second order reaction for rate constant. Okay, second order reaction for rate constant equation. Second order reaction for rate constant. So this is about second order reaction. So let us see once again. I am going to explain you here. So generally what is second order reaction? The rate depends upon two concentration terms. We call it as second order reaction. So here 2A gives rise to products. Why? Because A plus A 2A. 2A gives rise to products. So then rate of reaction is equals to minus d concentration of A by dt is equals to k into A square. So or we can take, if you take initial conditions like if A is traveling with A and X, then A minus X, 2 moles we are taking, no, A minus X means 2 into A minus X at the time t. So then R is directly proportional to A minus X whole square. R is equals to K into A minus X whole square dx by dt, where R indicates. So when the term will come here, k into dt. So when you do integration on both sides, this is the integration. So this, if suppose if you are taking 1 by x square, so x square can be written as x power minus 2. In the same way, think this is as x. That's why I have written a minus x minus 2 into dx is equals to k into integration of dt. So here x power integration of x square is equals to x square means x power n is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 kt. So this is the equation we are getting. So this one. So if x is equals to 0, t is equals to 0, then c will be 1 by a we are getting. If you substitute this value here, you are getting this one. When 1 by a will come this side, minus 1 by a we are going to get. So means what happening here? So here k we are taking. So when you do LCM, this is the equation we are getting. Okay, rate constant. Then half lifetime period. So then coming to here, t half, how you will be finding? So as we got equation what here? 1 by t into x by a into a minus x. So okay, if t is equals to t half and x is equals to a by 2. Okay, x is equals to a by 2, t is equals to half. So then we are going to get here, if you substitute these two values in this equation, k is equals to 1 by t half a by 2 into a minus x, means here also a by 2. So then how you are getting t half, this k will come here, a by 2 into a. So here how a 2a minus a, again a by 2. So then we are getting this a will get cancelled, this a will get cancelled, this 2 will get cancelled, this 2 will get cancelled. So then t half is equals to 1 by k. So this is the half lifetime period of the second order reaction. So then when you take here units, so coming to here, if you take units, then how we are getting, what is the units here? The units for this equation will be concentration we are having. Okay, so when it is having concentration, so it will be mole square, liter square and second inverse. So if you have been observed, this is the mole, liter and time. So what will be the units here? The units will be for this equation mole square, liter minus 2, second inverse. So this is the units. Okay, so the graph we are going to get here is nothing but straight line with the time t, and here we are going to get this one. Where is that equation? X by a minus x. Okay, so this equation, if you have been considered, so this will be on x-axis and the slope we are going straight line, and the slope we are getting here is k. K will be the slope, x by a into a minus x. So this will be the graph. So what will be the examples? So sorry, mole inverse, second inverse, liter. Liter, mole inverse. So here we are, what is the reaction? Mole per liter. So mole inverse, liter inverse, second inverse. So this is the units we are going to get. So examples we can take here, 2N2O5. 2N2O5 gives rise to 2N2O4 plus half O2. So this will be the second order reaction. And also if you have been taken 2HI, H2 plus I2, so this will be also undergoing second order reaction. So this is about what here? Second order reaction. So now let us see about third order reaction. So here what happens? The rate depends upon three concentration terms. We call it as what here? Third order reaction. Okay, so coming to here, then how we are going to get here? Then we are going to take what here? We are going to get here, if you have been seen, 3A gives rise to products at A, X, A minus X, 3 into A minus X at time T. So without considering initial minus D, concentration of A dt is equals to minus D K into concentration of A power cube we are going to get, or else we can take it as dx by R is directly proportional to concentration of A power x whole cube. So dx by dt is equals to K into A minus x whole cube. So same thing, dx by A minus x whole cube is equals to K into dt. So when you do integration, what we are getting here? Integration on both sides, we are getting here dx by A minus x whole cube is equals to K into integration of dt. So then we are going to get, if you have been seen, so this one can be written as A minus x minus 3 dx is equals to kt plus c. Okay, so this x power cube, so we'll be getting A minus x minus 2 by minus 2 is equals to kt plus c, which will be multiplied by minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled. Then we are getting 1 by 2 into A minus x whole square is equals to kt plus c. If x is equals to 0, t is equals to 0, then c will be 1 by 2a square. So when you substitute this one in here, okay, so when you substitute here, what you are going to get? So we are getting 2 into A minus x whole square equals to kt plus 1 by 2a square. This one will come this side, means we can do here LCM, that is 1 by 2 into A minus x whole square minus 1 by 2a square is equals to kt plus c. Okay, so then what is the reaction we are getting here? So then if you do LCM, 2a square minus 2a square minus 2x square plus 2ax by 2a square into A minus x whole square is equals to kt. Then you are getting 2a square will get cancelled. This 2 common, if you have been taken, this 2 will be get cancelled. Then you are going to get here x into 2a minus x divided by a square into a minus x whole square is equals to kt. So we want k value. So k is equals to 1 by t into x into 2a minus x by k. Here we are getting a square into a minus x whole square. So this is the third order reaction we are having. So for this, what we will be finding here, half-life time period. So if t, what we got equation 1 by 2t into x into a minus x by a square into a minus x whole square. So if t is equals to t half, then x is equals to a by 2. Then what is the equation we are getting here? So what is the equation we are getting? So the equation will be here, k is equals to 1 by 2t half a by 2 into a minus a by 2 divided by a square into a minus a by 2 whole square. So 2a minus a. So then k is equals to 1 by 2t half a by 2 into 2a minus a by 2 divided by a square into a square by 2. So then we are getting a square by 4 2t half a square by 4 by a square into a square by 2. Okay, a square by 4. So this one will get cancelled. So then we are going to get here the t half value. What is the t half value we are going to get here? We are going to get t half value here is nothing but t half is equals to 1 by 2k into 1 by a square. Okay, so this is nothing but t half value. So then the graph will be straight line with slope k, time t, then x into a minus x by 2a square into a minus x square. So this is the graph we are getting. So here we can take examples. So here the units we are going to get here is nothing but the units of this one is mole square, mole minus 2, liter square, second inverse. So this is the units. And coming to examples, what we can take for third order reaction. So for third order reaction, the examples we can take as 2n2 plus 3h2, 2nh3, n2 plus 3h2. This is also third order reaction, or we can take it as CH3COOH, NaOH. So it will be giving us CH3COONA plus H2O. This is one of the example we can take it. Okay, with 3 moles we can take. These are the examples. So this is about third order reaction. By this the order of the reaction is completed. Thank you.